What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to show the Williams ratchet wrenches. You don't really see a whole lot about these, let alone videos. As you can see, they're pretty much identical to the prior generation snap-on ratchet wrenches, and they're the same as Blue Point ratchet wrenches that you buy now. You can see they have the nice laser etching here. Whoops. You know, you get your size there, name. On the back side, you got a double size stamp along with the part number. These are made in Taiwan, as you can tell. Very high quality Taiwan wrenches though. You know, I have no complaints about these. I've had them for a little bit. Then on the back, you can see they are serviceable, unlike Gear Wrench and all the other brands. You know, so that's one nice feature. You can open it up, put some grease in there, oil, whatever you want to do. But you know, pretty sure they're 72 teeth. Very smooth wrenches though. I got a gear wrench over here. I know it's a straight, but you get the gist of it. That's a gear wrench. And this is a 3/4, which is the same as the 19. So we're just going to compare those two. And as you can tell, one nice thing too is the heads on the Williams are nice and thin. You know, they're super thin. I love it. They get in all them tight spots where you need a thin hand wrench. Then a lot of people like to complain, well, not a lot, I shouldn't say a lot, but some, you know, about how thick the, there you go, right there. As you can see, they're a little bit thicker on the ratcheting end, but I mean, I take that into consideration as basically that's part of it being able to be serviceable. You know, where the gear wrench you can't service, these you can. Then you got the, like I said, the nice switch here. Very nice switch, like best switch I've encountered yet on a ratchet wrench. I really like them. Then you can take them off, or you know, if they start to loosen up, you got a nice little Torx there. You can tighten them back up. No big deal. You know, pretty high quality wrench for what you get. You know, and then when you compare these to like Harbor Freight's Icon and stuff, you know, I would much rather have these. You know, I've seen the Icons and they're all right, but these are definitely better in my opinion, and they're cheaper. You know, which makes no sense, but whatever. But this is a tray that they come in. There's actually a plastic lid that goes over top of this. I threw that away. I just put this in my tool cart. That's all I do. You know, makes it pretty handy. Sorry, I'm still sick. Still getting over this damn flu. It's been a pain. But that's the Williams ratchet wrenches, in case you were wondering how they looked and all that stuff. But I've had these for quite a bit, and I've used them quite a bit. This 10 I just used not too long ago fixing a snowblower. You know, and like I said, no complaints whatsoever. I haven't broken one yet. So, as you can see there, they're nice and thin, like I was saying. They're pretty sweet. You know, I think they're $120 some for the set or something like that. 120, 125, somewhere in there. But if you're looking for good deals on Williams, you know, they also have USA made stuff too. But go to toolsdelivered.com, and the easy way to find the USA stuff, it has letters and numbers in the parts, in the part number. But as you can tell here, the ratchet wrenches are the only ones that have letters and numbers that are made in Taiwan. Generally speaking, all the Taiwan stuff has all numbers, no letters, and the USA stuff is letters and numbers as opposed to just numbers. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.